Don't try to go too far and start something, right? Right? You want to see my back kick right now?
Call the cops.
Let's go.
Call cops?
Yep, call the cops right now.
That's what I'm tired of. You guys think, you like black people. You guys think you guys are so strong.
Yeah.
You guys think you're so strong and everything. Right? Come on, make a move, dude. Come on.
Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. To my new subscribers, I want you to know that you're welcomed on board, and to my returning subscribers, I want you to know that you're much appreciated. I'm your host Larry, and in today's video I want us to talk about, or rather discuss about these racist Karens. So there is this video of a racist Karen who went to or rather was in Jamaica at a party. The Jamaican DJ was playing this reggae music. Bear in mind, it's a Jamaican party. She's invited. But now, how she approaches the DJ, it's so disrespectful. You have to know that you are in a Jamaican land. You have to respect their culture. And they say if you go to Rome, you have to do what Romans do. So guys, let's watch this video and then we discuss more. I'll be back with more comments. Guys, so in this video we can actually see this racist Karen distracting the DJ, demanding the DJ to play her or their own music. She is in a Jamaican party, and much of all, I'd love to appreciate the manager for handling this in a professional way. So guys, let's watch the video until the end.
You don't know her. You get in the car. I'm about to.
Aaron, get your stupid in the car. Get in the car, Aaron. Get in the car,
You do not
Aaron.
know him. You do not know her. You don't know anybody around here. You are not special. Get your stupid in the.
Crack dealer.
No, he is not. Why? Because he's driving a Buick.
You said crack.
Whoa, wait. Did you cross? Hey, I'm sorry, y'all. Hey, you see that on the road? She can't handle. No, she can't handle a goddamn thing, man. If you see.
Aaron, get in the car, Aaron. Aaron, get in the car, Aaron.
I know y'all will do shit. No, she can't handle a goddamn thing.
You drug dealer, babe.
In your mouth. Go back to
Listen,
Mexico.
I said, excuse me.
Go back, wherever you're from.
I said, excuse me. Don't be rude.
You're the one that's rude.
No, I said,
Yes, you
excuse me.
are.
I'm trying to buy
You're in
something.
America.
So?
You're in America.
So what?
That's none of your business. Stay out of it.
I don't need to stay out of it.
I
said,
You're
excuse
yelling loud
me.
enough for everybody to hear. Stop being ignorant.
It's calling me ignorant.
Oh,
Yes.
My
all this
goodness.
Go back to Mexico and all that stuff.
oh
yes,
my goodness.
absolutely.
You are
Yes.
very rude.
No, you're the one that's rude.
I said, excuse me, because I'm trying to grab my medicine.
You told me. You know what you told me, and I ain't
Yes,
gonna put up with it.
I said, if you don't like it, I'm
Just go
sorry.
on. Just go on. Just go on. Get your stuff and
Whatever.
Get out of here.
No, I'm
And then
not
go
gonna
back
get
to
out of
Mexico.
here. No, I'm not.
Are you
Because
gonna
this
stand
is my
here and
country.
argue?
Yes, this is my
That's not
country.
your
Oh,
country.
yes, it
No,
is.
no, we don't
Oh,
want you
yes, it
here.
is. I don't care.
We don't want you
I don't care what you want or not.
We do want you here.
Leave me
That's
alone.
not true.
No.
How
want you
rude! How rude!
Give her to
No, ma'am.
Leave me
This-
alone.
This is inappropriate.
Ridiculous!
Yeah, tell her.
No, ma'am.
Tell her.
It's
I
inappropriate.
said, excuse
Speak
me.
for the store.
I'm not here for the store.
You're in the store.
I'm spending money in the store.
So am I.
Correct.
Uh-huh. So we're both
Please
customers.
go. Please go.
Oh,
Get out of here.
how rude!
Oh, where.
Shut up. Are you? Does she honestly still have a right to be
No, ma'am.
here? Okay.
I'm gonna have to ask you to leave, ma'am. This is inappropriate.
It's not my fault. She started it.
I did not do anything. I said,
You're gonna make
excuse
her
me.
leave too?
Well, you're just causing a scene in the store.
I'm not. She is.
By
No,
what?
I did
Did you
not.
watch it? You weren't even.
I
there.
heard you from
she
the office.
is. That's because she was mouthing me.
No, I said, excuse me.
So don't tell me it's my fault.
And you said, every time I'm on an aisle, people just come near
I wasn't
me.
talking to you.
And I said,
but
I'm
you made it
sorry.
your business.
I said, I'm sorry. If you don't like it, I need to get my
She's
medicine.
making it all up.
No, I'm
Every
not.
bit of it up.
Wow.
Just get your stuff and go.
Oh,
She's shopping as well.
my
ma'am.
gosh.
She has
I
every
am
right to
too.
be here as you.
And I'm not gonna listen to her mouth.
You don't have to listen to her, but she's still
I
here
do
and
when
has every
she-
right to shop,
I do.
which is what you're doing as well, ma'am.
You're not.
Well, I'm just trying to resolve a conflict here. That's all.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're
That's
not.
exactly what I'm trying
The
to do.
conflict is her.
I did not do anything
And
to you,
nobody's
ma'am.
gonna
You
talk to
pushed
me
your
like
cart
she did.
towards me and pushed
Nobody.
me.
I didn't push
Yes,
I
you
didn't
pushed me
touch
with your
you.
cart.
Oh, whatever. I ain't listening to this bull.
Go back to Spain. Go back to your country. Okay, you're recording it. I don't give a f. I don't give a f. My family has been here since 1904. You people don't belong here. You shouldn't be here.
Come closer. Go ahead.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be
Déjala,
here.
déjala, ya.
Do I speak English? Do I speak Spanish? Oh, you all. You all. I can't stand it anymore.
So you hit 2 cars.
I did not hit you.
I have you on video. I have you on video. You hit the car behind you and the one next to you.
Oh, go f yourself.
Okay, I will. Thank
Okay,
you. I will.
That's what you deserve to go f
Okay.
yourself with
All
him.
right. Okay.
I hate you. Get out of the
I'm
building.
sorry. I'm sorry that you
Get
have
out
such
of
a
here.
case.
I hate you foreigners.
Okay.
I hate.
Great. Did you just make a racist comment?
You know what? I am not a racist person.
You just made a
But you know
racist
what?
comment.
You need to go home.
I am from here.
Look it. Go home.
I am here from here.
Go home. I don't care about your Facebook or your video.
Oh, okay. You're
Do you
making
know
a
how
racist
many
comment
people
right
can't
now?
stand you being
Oh,
here?
great.
You play games. We don't play games.
Oh, what kind of game are you playing?
I play games where you get to death.
Oh, okay. Well, great. Let me take your card. Let me put your number plate too.
You get away
Great.
from me.
So this lady
I'm calling the
just
police on
made
you.
a racist comment. I can't believe this.
You are going to go to real jail now.
Well, great. You are.
Understand me, kind of man?
I think you're going.
Understand me, kind of man? You understand me, kind of man?
Respect.
Respect.
Respect people.
Respect.
Lady.
I can't understand your language.
Respect.
Man.
Lady.
Respect. Then you move your car. You're
There you
way
go.
too close. Get away from me.
There you go.
You
You don't even know how to park the car. You don't
know who
even
my
know.
family is?
There you go.
Do you know who my family is? Do you know who your family is? Go home to your family. This is from your government.
Respect.
Go home.
Lady.
Go home.
Get
This is
educated
from my
and
government.
respect.
This is from my government.
Get
Go home.
educated
You are
and
so
respect.
You're gonna get fucked. Your
Get
kids are gonna get
Respect.
This is my
Get
country.
educated and respect, lady.
This is my
Did you
country,
finish
and
college?
This is from my government.
Did you finish
Go
college?
Home.
Did you finish
Put
college?
that on your Facebook.
Did you?
You know what?
Did you?
You are nothing. What did you say?
You're nothing.
I said,
Exactly.
what?
You're nothing right there.
What?
Lady, get educated and respect.
Little boy.
Moving, because it's illegal at this hour. Please record your moving furniture. Record your man. Record your man moving furniture. Hang on, I'm going to get my camera to record you in your robe.
Good.
Yeah, okay. Go ahead. You've been screaming since what time?
Have we?
You just moved in.
You're the one screaming right now.
You just moved in.
You're the one screaming, making a scene.
Yeah, you're the one that had the police.
Making a scene, dude.
Right there. That's right.
I'm gonna find out where you work, and you're gonna lose your job
Where
for
I work,
saying
maybe
that.
I get paid by the government.
You can't say that word.
Really?
Dude.
You're a honey.
Oh my god.
Do you think because you're not brown you're not?
What the f is wrong with you?
Waking me up at 4? No, I'm sorry, 3:30?
Yeah.
Hang on, I got a phone too, babe. I'm using to call the cops.
Good, call him.
Are you getting in your car drunk, bro? Or are you just high on meth?
Hi, and Matt, that's you. You're the one with no teeth.
Out of here. Trespassing what?
We ain't trespassing none.
Trespassing what?
Why are you trespassing?
Trespassing what?
Why are you trespassing?
Trespassing what?
On a place where you don't
Hey,
belong to
get off the
be.
whip. Hey, get off the whip.
Hey,
get off
I
the
could
whip.
buy any car here I want to buy.
Hey, get off
What is you talking about?
Hey, I'm trying to leave.
What is you talking about?
Hey, I'm trying
Once
to
you
leave.
get on somewhere.
So,
Hey,
Ain't nobody giving you no problems. We trying to leave.
hey, y'all get y'all homie, bro. Get y'all homie, bro.
Hey, we trying to leave.
Get y'all homie, bro. This is white people, bro. I be
Hey,
want
we
to
trying
smack
to
the
get-
f out you, dog.
Move.
Move.
Get
Move.
homie up. I've been here for
Hey.
5 minutes. Get out.
Hey, just get out. Get in the car, bro.
touch me.
Ain't nobody gonna touch
Don't
you.
touch me.
Move. Bro, is this
touch
our
me.
homie?
Don't touch me.
Bro, move
Don't touch
around.
Don't touch me.
Move around.
Don't touch me.
We ain't gonna touch you.
You're
We know you gonna press
trespassing?
charges. You trespassing too. You own this motherfucker?
Yeah?
You own it?
Maybe I do.
You don't with them dirty ass feet.
Maybe
You
I
don't.
do.
Them dirty ass feet you don't. Get on somewhere, bro.
No.
Hey, just back the car up. Just back the car and
No.
pull out, bro.
No. Bird. Hey! Yeah, maybe I do.
Just back this. You know her? Move her around, bro.
Bird! What the f- Get over here!
Thank you. Move her out, bro. Go.
Why are you
Denzel, go.
trying to run me over? Why are you trying to run me over?
I'm not running over. You in my way.
Bro,
Why are you trying to run me over? I'm walking.
is this your wife?
I'm walking.
Is this your wife?
I'm
Thank you. Stupid.
you.
Fuck
Call
you.
me a stupid.
Smack the f out of you.
You're a stupid.
Touch me.
You're.
Touch me. Touch me.
Am I gonna touch
I'll
you?
knock your ass out. I promise you.
I'll look you in
It ain't what you.
touch it.
You and your husband up.
Fucking touch
Fuck
it.
with me. Touch
Exactly.
me.
Exactly.
Touch me.
Exactly
Touch
what
me.
you said.
Touch me.
You exactly said it.
Touch me.
You just said it.
Touch me.
You just said it.
Bro,
You
get
just said
your
it.
wife, Brody.
You just said it. You just said it.
Get your wife, Brody.
So guys, welcome back, and that has been a very sad videos we've all seen, and my sincere sorries to anybody who has ever came across such racial abuse, or be it any racial abuse of any sort of form. Before we dive in, I'd love to say this: no Karen should ever make you feel less of yourself or even make you cry. I personally appreciate you. We all are equal. It doesn't matter of our races. And to those of us, or rather to those of you who have came across such racial abuse and speak up for our rights, I want you to know that I'm also proud of you, and I appreciate you so much for standing up for your rights. So in these videos, we've seen how these racist Karens have been humiliating and being disrespectful to our Jamaicans, brothers and sisters, and not just Jamaicans, not just any blacks, but we've also seen other whites being racially abused. because of their races. Spanish, Mexicans. I mean, we in the 21st century. I thought by now everybody should realize that we all equal. It doesn't matter if you're white or black. So guys, let's all of us speak up when we face, or rather we see someone being racially abused. Why would you racially abuse someone? Because of where they are from, because of their skin color. Why? We've seen these currents, they stand in front of you. They stand in your way. Well, for those who didn't know, excessively or just standing in someone's way and blocking their movement, you can be charged for that. You can't be charged for intruding someone's space. And to more of all, and just to add it on, you are throwing racial, or rather these racist words towards that person. These people, we need you just as much as you need us. But I guess you need us more, even more. So guys, let's speak up all against this racial abuse. Let's stop these. We're in the 21st century. So guys, I'm your host Larry, and until we meet again, peace out.